Hi guys, today I'm doing another pack with me video. I've only done like 2 of these before, but they are so much fun to film. This time Joshua and I are going on a little weekend getaway. We're actually headed to the city of Chicago for the weekend. So I'm really excited. So keep a lookout for a vlog, some shop with me videos over there. I think it's gonna be super fun. So make sure you're subscribed as well and you have the bell on so you guys will get notified as soon as those videos go up. This is going to be a super casual and realistic pack with me video, so I hope you guys enjoy. One of my last pack with me videos, I had said at the beginning like, oh man, I really don't want to overpack, and everybody was like, oh my word, you packed so much stuff. I thought I was really narrowing things down. So this time I am truly going to try to be super minimal, at least with my clothing, on this trip, because we're only going to be gone for 3 days, 2 nights. So we'll see how I do, but it's really hard for me not to overpack. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, show you guys what I use and how I make packing a little bit more easy, I guess. So hope you guys like it, and let's go ahead and jump right in. All I have out so far is my little suitcase. I've shown this suitcase before, but I actually wasn't using it in my last pack with me video. I was using like the really big Calpac suitcase that I have. So this one is like the smaller one, but I did get it at TJ Maxx. Like I said, it is Calpac, but I just think it is so cute. I can find some of these suitcases on the TJ Maxx website for you guys and link them as well. I'll try to link all this stuff if I can find it, but I just think these suitcases are so cute. And then I wanted to show you guys this little, it just basically looks like a plastic bag. So I have used these a few times in the airport. I got them off Amazon. I'll link these as well. It's basically just like a suitcase cover, and I ended up getting the clear ones for my pink suitcases because I was like, what's the point of having pink if nobody can see it? So I found these clear ones and they work great. They come in a bunch of different sizes. You just have to like measure your suitcase and then pick what size. But yeah, these actually worked out really well for me. I have it for this smaller carry-on one and then also like my really large Calpac suitcase. So these are really helpful and they've lasted a few times. I'm not using this time because we're not going on a plane. We're just driving for the weekend. So, because Chicago's not like super far from us. And then I just have a couple things that I know I for sure want to bring. Pajamas, sunglasses, pair of shorts. I'm not done packing, trust me. And then these are my little packing cubes. I've also showed these in other pack with me videos, but these are just so amazing, especially for keeping me organized. They also kind of compact everything and make it a little bit smaller, so you don't really have to like worry about taking up as much space. But basically, I love it for the organization. I feel like whenever I go to a hotel, everything just gets dumped out everywhere. So I got these from TJ Maxx. Now I feel like every place has these. You can order them off Amazon, get them from Target, whatever. But I will link some affordable ones down below. So basically, I just have to figure out what clothes I'm gonna bring and then pack up my toiletries and stuff. But these are the pajamas. I just wanted to share them really quick. I've talked about them a lot on my channel, but if you guys have not tried out these pajamas, you have to. Nordstrom has a pair that's very similar to these, and they're just really high quality pajamas in my opinion. But I got these from Target and I've bought them in like every color. I have several ones. I have them in long sleeve and short sleeve. I wear these types of pajamas like every single night. So I'm gonna be gone 2 nights. I'm only bringing 1 pair of pajamas. That's pretty good. And then tomorrow I gotta figure out like what tank top I'm gonna bring. But because we're gonna be in the car, I'm bringing these shorts. These are the comfiest shorts in the world. They're universal thread from Target. I just think they'll be comfier than wearing like jean shorts in the car for several hours. Like these are just so comfortable. They're not as cute as like my jean shorts or anything, but when we get there I might change into jean ones. Also, it's supposed to be like almost 100 degrees this weekend, so we're just kind of crazy for going to Chicago. As we walk into my closet, it is a complete mess right now, but I have this little section over here where the past week I've just kind of been putting things like from this over are basically things that I've thought I might want to bring with me to Chicago. So as I've done laundry throughout the week and stuff, I've just kept these things here. And that also makes it a lot easier for me too, because when I do laundry, then I just kind of like don't touch these things because I'm like, oh, I might want to wear these over the weekend, and then I don't get tempted to like wear it during the week. So these are all things that are right here that I think, I don't know, I gotta sort through and figure out like what I want to bring. I'm thinking tomorrow I might just wear like this, either tomorrow or the night. Probably tomorrow. I might just wear like, this is a little square neck bra cami from Express that I really like. I might just wear that with the green shorts. Might change into my jean ones when we get there, but I think I might just wear that with a cute purse, some shoes, obviously shoes. This is a new little Free People dress that I think I might wear, a little sweater that I like, and then I just gotta figure out what other tank top. I'll probably just bring like one other tank top and then like my jean shorts, and I gotta figure out shoes.
I've been trying to find my way. Take me by the hand and let's go find our own space. Somewhere in between you and me. It's a piece of magic that we need to release. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take a chance with me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance with me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way.
So I basically have all of my clothes packed up here. I still have to grab my jean shorts from the dryer downstairs. Hopefully I don't forget those. But these are the shoe options that I pulled out. So these are going to be great for like dressy or casual. These are the greatest shoes ever. They're Steve Madden. They're so comfortable. Like the most comfortable wedge I've actually ever worn in my entire life. So I totally suggest, like, if you guys have not tried these on, try them on. They're true to size, super comfortable. I think they come in a couple other colors, but I'll leave links to all this stuff down below if you guys want to check anything out. But these shoes are amazing. So these are going to be like my dressy and sort of casual shoes. I don't know. And then for walking around, I'm thinking either these. These are like a great Golden Goose dupe sneaker. These are Steve Madden as well. But these are like my most comfortable sneakers. These ones or these ones. So either the Vans or these. But I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like maybe these, but if I was overpacking, I'd bring both. But I think I might just bring the white ones. You could obviously use a duffel bag for a weekend trip, but I just think this suitcase is so cute. I just really wanted to use it. And I personally feel like it's just kind of easier to have a bag that has wheels on it. So first, I always do shoes because they can be dirty on the bottom, and I just don't want it touching all my other stuff. So I'll probably just keep those on this side, and then this side does zip, so I can kind of close everything in there. My little bags with my clothes in it will go on this side. I think I'm still gonna have extra room. These shoes, I'm gonna just wear them tomorrow, so I don't need to pack them. This is my outfit for tomorrow as well. Besides my toiletries, I think this is everything that's going to go in here for now. I'm getting some of my toiletries together, but I just put all my makeup in this bag. Now this bag is not like super pretty anymore. It's super old. It's like from Target. But what I do love about this bag is that it has like a separate compartment up here, and I keep all of my makeup brushes in there. Nothing's really like clean and pretty right now. But this is all my makeup in here, and then my brush and my heat protectant for my hair. But yeah, basically just all my makeup. If you guys are interested in any of my makeup or what I use, I recently just did a summer makeup look. I will link that above, and I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out, because basically everything I'm packing in here is everything that I use every day and everything that I showed in that video. So this is all my makeup, hair stuff, besides like my curling iron. But yeah, this bag's going in next. So I just actually went to the store and grabbed a bunch of toiletries. What I'm going to do to kind of save some space is take off like any of the packaging on some of this stuff. I already took the toothpaste out. And I took this out of the, it came in a little box. I actually just got this too and put my face wash in there. So those are pretty much all the toiletries that I'm going to be bringing. All of that stuff over there, that's all stuff that's probably going to go in like my purse. So yeah, gotta get my toiletry bag together, my purse, because I'm going to bring my laptop, cameras, stuff like that. But yeah, for now, I'm going to put all this stuff in this bag. I really need to get like some new toiletry bags. They're not super pretty anymore, but whatever.
I can see the fire escape, and you can read my mind, that's why you're heading that way. Nothing will ever be.
And then another random thing I like to pack. Now, a lot of hotels already have these. I'm not sure if ours will have these or not, but I bought a ton of these laundry bags. Well, it came in one big pack off of Amazon, probably like last year, and I always keep them on like a little clip hanger in our guest room. For guests when they come and stay with us, I just think it's a nice little extra added touch. I'll leave them linked down below. But I always like to bring 1 or 2 of these with us on vacation just in case, because I really like keeping my dirties separate from my clean clothes. That makes it so much easier when I get home too, so that I'm not like trying to figure out what's dirty, what's clean. It's just super simple. So I'll probably bring one for me and one for Joshua. A few final things I'm going to pack in this bag right here. So I'll have this bag, then I'll have that bag, and then that'll be it. Besides maybe a small little crossbody bag to put in here. But basically in this bag I'm just going to have my laptop charger, phone charger, headphones. I actually just grabbed some like cheapy little headphones too, because sometimes at hotels I can't sleep. Well, I definitely can't sleep without a fan, and sometimes I don't have a fan, so I just got some little cheapy ones for sleeping. And then I think in this bag I'm going to keep like my glasses for at nighttime. This is like my hand lotion that I always have to use at night. My little eye patches that I have to use, chargers, all that stuff. So that'll go in here, but I think I'm going to keep this in my bag and have it by me in the car, just in case like I want any of this stuff for the car ride, because I'll probably bring like a pillow and stuff too, because we're driving. Then I'm going to have a smaller bag that I'll put in here, like a little crossbody or something, that I'll keep like maybe some jewelry, my watch, glasses. I gotta find the case for this, some chapstick, and my wallet and hand sanitizer. So all of this is all gonna go in this bag. Just made it to our hotel. It's been a long day of traveling, but I just wanted to share with you guys. This was all of my completed, packed up luggage. I feel like I did pretty good. Like, this is literally all I brought. We're gonna be here 3 days, and I personally feel like I packed pretty light. So if you guys want to see like a tour of our room, we just made it to our hotel, or if you guys want to follow us along on this vacation, see some of my outfits in action that I've shared with you guys earlier, make sure to check out my next video, because it will be a vlog of our trip, and I think it'll be really fun. Like I said earlier, if you guys want links to anything that I shared with you guys, it will all be down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out for any other information. But I hope you guys are having a great week. If you guys enjoyed watching, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and I will see you really soon in my next video.